Hello everyone, are you also using minoxidil for hair fall? Then this video is for you. I get asked a lot of times that doctor, do I have to continue using minoxidil for my whole life? Let's try and answer this question in this video. Minoxidil helps by stimulating the hair follicles and prolonging the growth phase of the hair cycle. Minoxidil is effective only if you have hair follicles left. In case of scarring alopecia, minoxidil doesn't help. In case you are using minoxidil in case of telogen effluvium, then definitely we can stop using minoxidil once the condition gets reversed. But never stop minoxidil suddenly. Always stop it in a tapering fashion after consulting with your dermatologist. In case you are using minoxidil for patterned hair loss, like female or male pattern hair loss, in that case, we need to continue using minoxidil for a long time. Here's the reason. Minoxidil is targeting the symptoms of hair loss. It is not targeting the cause, which is either genetics or hormonal. So, that is why we need to continue using minoxidil so that we can get the benefits for a long time. Do like and share this video if you find this useful.